Next thing I want to do, put on some goggles. I'm doing this outside. I'm going to use some lacquer thinner on a small rag to clean the copper surface. I want to remove any oil from my hands, any remaining flux from soldering this hanger on it. Just want to wipe that over, and it'll help the aging material stick to the metal. Next step is I've made up this clean solution. This will be in the description below. I'm going to spray some of this on. You want to be sure and wear gloves and wear old clothes and do it outside. It's about a 70-degree day in September. It's a beautiful day. But I've made this plastic chamber. I need to create something and keep high humidity. So I just took a black plastic bag, put 4 bricks standing on end. See them there? And then I'll just place this inside and spray it with the cleaning solution and let it sit for 5-10 minutes, get it cleaned up. I've got the agent solution. I've let the cleaning solution sit on the butterfly for 10-15 minutes. I'll put the recipe for this below in the description. I just want to spray a light coat on there and then cover that up and let it sit for a few hours or a few days. You may need to recoat it. Depends on what look you want, so we'll see how it looks. Let's see how the butterfly's doing. Actually, I put the first coat on last week and been busy and I haven't been able to get back to it, but we're getting some green and some colorization on that. I'm going to just spray it over again, coat that surface. I'm going to cover it up, put a brick on it. You can put a twist, you can pull it together and put a twist on it, and we'll let that sit. Check it back a little later. It's been 8 hours. Let's see how butterfly looks. Oh, looking good. It, you know, on that one, I'm gonna go with that.